Okay, third floor is where you leave all your pain and misery, all your self-hate. Now you're starting to gain. You're starting to see life from a different angle. Now you got different things flowing for you in your life. This is where people make the mistake at, on the third floor, thinking they know it all, thinking they gathered the proper information, not moving on, but moving on with the same pain the people gave to them, and then some of their business partners that they gave the water to wind up deceiving them and doing them wrong. Then they gathered up them feelings and they get stuck right there on the third floor. See, the third floor is where you leave all this at. See, it took you 3 floors to make this magic happen, but you're not all the way there yet. You think you are, but that's when you start to think you on top, and at this point, you don't reach the mark that you never reached before. See, this was mistakes begin. This is when the devil venom is in your blood. You start to hate, even though you're at the top, but you're going to receive a lot of hate. The 4th floor. Once you entered and went up to the 4th floor, now you discovered yourself, what you can do and what you can't do. Now nobody can get to you or try to control you. You already understand what life is about, and you understand what people go through and what they will use against you. You also understand that certain things you receive, that some people are going to be jealous of you regardless, but you stay on the path of righteousness. The 5th floor is the settling floor. You're in the middle. You got 8 more floors to go. The 5th floor is where all your stuff is running. Then you're starting to get relaxed. You're starting not to do the business no more, leaving it in everybody else's hand. While you're sitting at home, going on trips, funning, business is flowing, but then business started to collapse. You know why? You're not pursuing it no more. You done gathered up enough income that you feel like you don't need it no more. But remember, the $5 got you to this point. You can't forget about the $5. The $5 will keep you going. Just because your money has got higher than it once was, but the $5 brought you to this stage. I always mention the $5 because in the beginning, from the 1st floor, you had $5. You started off with 40 waters, but you paid $3 and something for. You created a whole corporation from $5, but now you're lacking because now you don't see the $5 no more. This is where your brain challenge you, where you get rid of the $5 from your mind. But remember, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Remember them. The $5. It's always coming back to it. Your journey is not finished. The 6th floor. You become more settle-minded, where you see all your users and you see all your wanters. You see everything for what it is. Nobody can get over on you. You already see them coming before they even stood in front of your face. See, we do not judge, but we understand, because we was once them. We ride with them and see how far they gonna ride. And if they get off the bus, that's their decision. It doesn't bother you or hurt you. See, one thing you learn how to take losses. And at the same time, them losses, you made it back 10 times. So they were never losses. See, don't ever be confused by these people. See, all they want to do is get into your mind, have control over you, and make you back being the same person you used to be. See, I teach you these floors, and I am one that's still on the first floor. But I still teach you this information because I'm going to go to from the first floor all the way to the 13th floor. I'm going to skip all these floors, and you can do it too.